Hello, good morning, you diamonds. How are you guys doing this morning? Hope you guys are ready for these jobs that I have for today. Today, the company is with Walgreens, and the job role will be remote pharmacy technician. And this base is based out in Frisco, Texas, 75033. It's a remote position at $16 an hour. And with this position, pay started at $15 an hour, $16 after 90 days, and $1,250 sign-on bonus program. The job summary, in accordance with state and federal regulations, performs data entry and patient registration, responsible for resolution of third-party rejections, and responded to high-volume customer inquiries, working under direct supervision. Follows standard operation procedures, and performs duties in accordance with company policies and procedures. Responsible for using pharmacy systems to obtain patient and drug information. Duties may vary based on assigned department. The job responsibilities: using Walgreens prescription data entry procedures and guidelines, processes new patient registration by entering data into appropriate system, handles patient prescription requests within HIPAA guidelines, and enters refill orders for processing. Troubleshoots to obtain missing prescription information and interprets medical abbreviations SIG codes. Resolves all data entry related exceptions. Handles correspondence to patients' inbound calls, chats, emails, and makes outbound calls to prescribers and patients as needed. Resolves third-party rejects by reviewing, gathering information, making corrections, and resubmitting for processing according to individual plan requirements. Makes telephone calls to insurers and others to obtain information, gain override approval, and or otherwise resolve the third-party rejects. Provides assistance to pharmacists, both those in the facility and those at other locations. Identifies and communicates issues to senior level staff as appropriate. And they just posted this job today. It's with Walgreens. You guys jump on it. This job will not last long at all. Now, the next job that I have lined up for you guys is with PeopleShare. Once again, I love PeopleShare. It's a great company. I love Walgreens. They're a great company. But this right here, you guys, they're hiring for the job role of customer service representative. It's a remote position, and the starting pay is $17 an hour to $17.50 per hour. It's temp to hire. The full job description: are you looking to become a remote customer service insurance sales agent in Mississippi? Take the first step to begin your new career with PeopleShare today. No license, no problem. PeopleShare is committed to providing all training, onboarding, and state licensing at no cost to you as an investment in the long-term careers of our associates. Details for the customer service representative remote. Paid $17 to $17.50 per hour. Competitive incentives. Scheduling is Monday through Sunday, 6 a.m. through 11 o'clock p.m. Central Standard Time. Direct hire opportunity. We pay for license. The customer service remote position embodies these values. Possesses an upbeat, positive, enthusiastic attitude, proficient to multitask, follow through and follow up inbound calling, strong communication skills, detail oriented, quality and precision focus. What is in it for the customer service role? Bonus structure incentive, opportunity to build customer relationships 100% remote, equipment is provided, this company called PeopleShare, and direct hire bi-weekly pay. Job responsibilities for the customer service role is inbound calling for existing and prospective customers to provide information regarding insurance policy, coverage, updates, renewals, etc. Listen attentively to customers' needs and concerns while demonstrating empathy and building rapport. Building and maintaining great relationships, rapport, and correct credibility with clients. Aiding customers with the overall enrollment process, understanding their overall needs. Qualifications for the customer service rep job is high school diploma or GED, 3 to 5 years of customer service experience, 1+ years of sales and or call center experience preferred. Then they tell you guys it's an equal employment opportunity and everything for this company. And they just posted this today, you guys. $17 to 15 cents per $17 to $17.50 per hour is attempt to hire, and it's a remote job with PeopleShare. The company is called PeopleShare, and the job role is customer service representative. So jump on it, you guys. Those are great jobs. And now the third company that I have this morning is telephone service representative full-time with Centratel. With Centratel. This company is called Centratel, and they are paying, and this is a remote position, of course. It's $21.65 an hour, and it's a full-time job position. And they also have a website, just like PeopleShare has one. I'm going to post the links down below with those two companies that have the websites. Benefits is health insurance, paid training, and work from home. The full job description: we are looking for experienced call center answering service agents, sometimes called telephone service representatives or TSRs, who want to work from home for a great company and who will stay with us long term. Who are we? We are statistically the highest quality telephone answering service in America. We've been in business for 38 years under a single owner, and our headquarters are in Bend, Oregon. So this is not a sales position. Our TSRs process incoming calls only. Candidates must reside in Texas, Idaho, Kentucky, and Texas. We are hiring individuals who are customer-centric and detail-oriented, with solid typing skills, and who are strong logistically, verbally, and written, and empathetic, confident, comportment is an essential attribute. Our training is thorough, and the people skills that you'll learn will prove valuable for the rest of your life. Paid training is provided, and the benefits, IRA, and health insurance, etc., and are great because of the nature of our 24/7, 365-day business day with the heavy call traffic on weekends. Expect to work Saturdays and Sundays along with 3 sequential days during the week. Now, the job description: you will be processing incoming calls for various companies, businesses that are located throughout the United States. The TSR task is to take messages accurately and efficiently and then deliver the information to our clients per their individual message relay protocols. The Centratel TSR utilizes a specialized telephone system specifically designed for answering services. The customer we serve includes service businesses whose personnel are in the field and are away from their business phones, medical and veterinary offices that receive emergency patient calls during and after normal business hours, property management companies, heating and air conditioning firms, funeral homes, high-tech operations, etc. Job requirements: experienced call center answering service agents only, per hour typing test, type a minimum of 40 words per minute. Absolutely drug-free environment working with this company, you guys. Understand basic internet navigation, messaging tools, excellent oral and written communication skills, adept at actively listening, can communicate efficiently, empathetic and personable, yet professional demeanor, reliable, dependable, and customer-centric focus, disciplined and resourceful, personable, receptible to coaching, feedback through regular one-on-one online meetings with supervisors and quality specialists, able to train remotely via self-guided classroom programs, can troubleshoot very basic internet connection challenges guided by our experienced and always available tech team, attend paid virtual monthly meetings. Now, the physical requirements must be a secure, separate workplace from a free distraction and extraneous noise from HIPAA compliance requirements, up to date computer with Windows 10 Pro or higher operation systems, Mac Books are not accepted. Mac is not accepted or not supported. With 20 gigabytes of hard space available. Dual monitors or an ultra wide monitor, standard keyboard and web camera with microphone. Provide reliable high speed, minimum 50 megabytes per second, broadband, internet connection, no satellite connection, reliable landline, and voice over internet protocol VoIP service. Must have a mobile phone with unlimited minutes as an emergency backup source. Wages and benefits. Starting wages at $21.65 per hour with quick escalations keyed to performance to $21.65 an hour to $30.35 per hour. To meet the highest performance criteria, typically about 30 to 60 days. Most of our training is TSRs earned at the $28.10 to $30.35 per hour level. Full 40 hours per week. Overtime available 1.5 times hourly wage. And they have a retirement plan with a 3% match after 90 days. Fully paid health insurance after 90 days. Note, if you choose to not to use our group health insurance, we will add $200 per month to the above described compensation. Set schedules per seniority base bidding process. Now the example shift that they have is like this. It goes for, although your first shift schedule may not be your ultimate preference, with your increase in seniority, your preferred schedule will come with time because newly available shifts are awarded based on seniority. Note that shift bidding occurs twice per year as well as every time a shift opens. Listed below are example shifts, which may or may not be currently available. So these are the shifts right here. It's a lot to read, you guys, but these are the shifts that are available. I will post the link down below so you guys can go ahead and check out the shifts. And to apply, email your resume and a brief cover letter to the careers Centratel.com. If your application qualifies, we will contact you to arrange for an interview and aptitude testing. No phone calls, please. And the pay is $21.65. You guys jump on these jobs. This just got posted today by Centratel as being a job role for this company. It will be telephone service representative. And you guys have a great one. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.